Let's make it for the Munchlax. First things first, this is a Blokees again. Last time, nabili ko sa Toy Kingdom na about yung score bunny. Now, I will make it this reel for Munchlax. This is a Blokees again. Ito yung modular. Ito yung tree. Siguro no. And then also, tama yan. Yung tree niya, berry tree, at yung stone accessories. A Pokémon company and the logo sign, and then also. So what are you waiting for? Let's go. Supposed to be, I'll open it. Oh no. What am I done? Sorry, Munchlax. Okay. Now this is proceed the puzzlers. Oh, the card. Yan. Nagawa ko ito last time. And then yung manual. I guess ito. Ginawa ito. Ayan. Yung pack niya. And then sticker as well. Let's basic for the Munchlax first. Okay. So first things first, it's a head first. Assemble the head components. Itong puti, and then ito yung jaw lang, yung face niya, yung ito yung head niya, and then assemble muna. Ayan, ganda nga ito. And then also itong ayan na nakita mo yung bunganga niya ni Munchlax. Your face is all complete. Next one is torso. Ang ganda ng Pokemon Blokees. No, para siyang magandang quality niya as well. Sunod Pikachu naman for the next go. Okay na yung assemble for the torso. Next one is head and body for assembly. Ito yung mababa to yung ni Munchlax, yung ganito. So una na natin yung yung body siya. Body. Oh no. I can make it do this. Or perhaps baliktad pala. Sorry. Kung bakit. Si Lexi Marsigan, mahilig siya sa Pokemon. Ang bias niya, yung Psyduck. Ito naman, next one is arm. Sa bandang torso. Next one is yung feet. Ilalagay ko sa baba. Ayan, natapos na yung paa niya o yung assemble. Now, we're assembling for your berry tree. Ito yan. Yan. Okay. And then also, yung tree niya. Oh no. Okay, got it all complete. And also the Munchlax, I will be attached for the stone, and then also the stage 1. I will be the camera off quickly, and I see you for the around. And we're back. This is the final of the Munchlax. Munchlax, the big eater Pokemon, a normal type. It needs to consume its own weight in food every day. As far as the flavor it's concerned, it's an indifferent. Yun lang guys. See you.